Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it. And in this page you should select the last option, which is settings. And in the new page you can just select the my account option. And there you should select the fourth option, which is logout. Press on it and you can just see this little window appearing to you, and it will be asking you basically if you surely want to log out, and you can just press OK. And after waiting a little bit you will be logged out eventually. You just have to wait because sometimes it takes longer, and once you're logged out you can just log back in basically with your phone number. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.